Terry Crypto. Welcome to my channel where I talk about meme coins. Thank you all for all your support and everything you do. Like, subscribe, join my channel, and enjoy my content. Thank you all. Bye. Hey guys, just kind of wanted to jump on here real quick, kind of just see what y'all think about this, but we just kind of got some numbers back, so listen in.
Let's talk about it, Randy. Your first reaction to this one? So as we were saying before, I think the Fed focuses a lot on wage growth, and we've seen wage growth above expectations. I think it's really clear that the Fed is going to be waiting a while before it starts cutting rates because the labor market is still quite strong, the wage growth is still quite strong, and wages are the key thing that then feed into services as well as manufacturing inflation. Let's talk about.
So as you can kind of see right there, that's kind of what they're talking about. So just in case you guys didn't really know what's going on, the U.S. added 216,000 jobs to the economy in December, and it was only supposed to be about 175,000. Just in case you're not aware, really what we're kind of waiting on is trying to see the economy kind of slow down a little bit. And in that case, that means that our rate hikes are actually being effective. So that in turn gets us our rate cuts. That's what we're looking to try to do. But since we got the 216,000 jobs in December, that's showing our economy is still really strong and not really slowing down like the Fed was hoping. So what we could be looking for is possibly waiting a little longer for them cuts. So we may have to wait a little longer, guys, on them cuts. But I mean, we still have so many things coming in the realm for crypto and for Bitcoin, and all them things are just coming so fast, guys. I mean, we are really starting to slow climb back up as of right now. Um, Sorry, guys, hang on, bear with me. I accidentally hit the wrong thing. That happens sometimes. So it's cold where I'm at, very cold where I'm at. So that's why you kind of see this neck deal on me. Just trying to stay warm, That's how it usually goes. So here we are. We are in. So we have kind of went down a little bit. Our fear to greed index is sitting right at around 70. Bitcoin sitting right around 43,482 at the moment. We're just kind of slowly trying to gain our confidence back in the markets after that dump the other day. So that's kind of where we're setting. Ethereum is sitting around 2,227. Guys, everything just kind of went down a little bit. So we're just kind of trying to figure out what we need to do. Most everybody is just waiting on the Bitcoin ETFs to see kind of where they are going. So once we figure out what's going on and maybe get a word, we could quite possibly get a word on the ETFs today. If not, early next week. Our deadline is the 10th. So we should find out something by at least the 10th, saying maybe when they're going to get approved, or we may have to wait till the next deadline. So either or, guys, don't be too alarmed, don't be too concerned. If things have went down a little bit, that is to be expected with everything that's going on with the markets and the economy. And we do have the PPI and the CPI reports, I do believe, next week. So that is something to look forward to. So be prepared for that, as that could be bringing some volatility to the markets. Sorry, guys. It's been a long morning. But anyway, so I just wanted to kind of bring that to you guys, just kind of tell you guys where we're at. Do a quick look at ELMO real quick, just to kind of see how their price is looking today, as I usually do my videos over them. We are kind of doing a nice little shoot up. We're at 38. So we're nice little climb, 2.44%. We went almost all the way down into the um, resistance line, but we took a nice little bounce back up and maybe see a nice little steady climb a little bit more today. So, you know, just kind of get on there. If you guys don't know what's going on with them, kind of look around. We can get on the Telegram. You can get on their website, moerc.io, and kind of look them up, see what they're doing. Let's see what MMA is doing. See how they're looking right now. I know they took a little dump this morning. Last time I looked. Okay, so we are setting at 0.13. We took a hell of a dump. Um, don't know why. I would have to do some research on that. I know at 7 p.m. they are going to do a little bit of kind of showcase on everything. But maybe this might be a good buying opportunity for you if that's what you are looking to do. Let's see if we can find something on why the price dropped on X. If you don't mind being patient with me. See if there's any reason why it. So, just in case you guys aren't aware, Beta V1 is now live. So, if you do own some MMA, I do believe you got to own at least 10,000 MMA uh, to be able to download this. But there it is, guys. Don't forget, we do have the 7 p.m. UTC, like I said. They'll be hosting a Meme Alliance episode 1, and you'll be able to go on there, and all these other memes will be in there too. Chu, Dark Lord, ELMO, Sharby. I don't really know them. I'll do some research on them. Maine and MMA, they will be at the round table. So there you go, guys. There you have it. Beta showcase. Like I said, here you can go on the beta showcase, and that'll show you what's going on there, guys. But I don't see anything on why the price would drop. Probably just people taking some profits. You will have that, and I do expect that to climb up relatively quick because there's just too much bullish news going around MMA right now. Looks like PEPE's took a 4.35% dip on the day, and that's just kind of where we're at, guys. Let's see where we're at on 7 day. We're down 13.10% on the 7 day for PEPE. Let's see what old SHIB's doing today. Just kind of going over some of these meme coins, guys. Uh, just trying to give you all a perspective of what's going on. I mean, a lot of everything's kind of going down a little bit. SHIB's down 2.76 on the day. See what they're doing on the 7 day. They took a dip along with Bitcoin and everything else pretty much. We're down 8% on the day. So maybe you might want to be doing some DCA, and if that's what you want to do, if it's right for you. Let's take a look at Bonk. So Bonk recently got listed on Coinbase. I'm sure a lot of you guys are aware of that. So let's kind of come out to 7 day. We're down 28%. 1 month, we are still at 49%. Guys, I don't know. This looks like it's still kind of on a downtrend from where it's at. You know that this point right here, your high right here, is where it got listed on the Coinbase. So it took that. Well, actually, right. I'm sorry. Right here is about where it started. People started buying it because they knew it was getting listed on Coinbase, and then it got listed on Coinbase, and then it took that giant upwards trend all the way up. And then, of course, people started taking profits, and people are still kind of taking profits. I expect this probably will continue downwards a little bit more before it finally hits that resistance and starts its bounce back up. So just be prepared for that, guys. If that's something that you are invested in, if you are looking to get your returns back, you're probably going to have to wait a little bit longer. But all it takes is a little bit of bullish news, guys. I mean, The 24-hour volume is 106 million, which is down 17%, but still, yeah, that's still quite a bit of volume, guys. 693 million market cap. So it's gonna probably kind of looks like it might trend just a little bit more down before it finally finds that resistance and starts its upward trend back up, which is to be expected. Most cryptos do that. They'll hit their peak in the that range, and then people start taking profits. It's just what happens. I mean, once we get more into the bull market, it's going to start climbing again, just along with anything else. Let's um let's look at Solana today. It is at $97.85. So it is down 4.26%. I mean, it's been on a really nice climb for a long time. It was determined to finally hit a point to where it's going to have to stop and cool off. So it's kind of looks like it hit right here in December, $122, and it's just kind of finding it's starting to kind of trend back down. So I mean, it's to be expected. I mean, god dang, guys, you went from over here at actually it was way before that. Let's just go back here. I mean, let's kind of zoom. Oh, too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. I mean, it took a hell of a nice climb from last year. I mean, its lows was almost like $12, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Let's zoom out. So I mean, yeah, guys, it needed to cool off, 644% in the year. So, yeah, yeah, Soul just needs a breather, is what it needs. I mean, it's done a hell of a nice climb for a really long time. So you might just kind of wait just a little bit more before you start trying to find some entry points. Solana is going to continue to climb over time because, well, they have a lot of utility and they have a lot of things going for them. So I don't see them slowing down too much more before they finally start getting that upward trend with the rest of the market. So, guys, there you have it. That's kind of where I'm just going to end it off today. Just wanted to kind of go over a few things and just kind of show you what's going on. That's kind of what we're waiting on. Everybody's just waiting on the Bitcoin ETFs. Once we get a approval of that, I mean, I can expect the markets to climb a little bit, especially Bitcoin. I mean, we should see a 50 to 52,000 Bitcoin once the ETFs get approved. I mean, it's going to be a real quick climb up too. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye.